Now we're going to convert 14,470 square feet to an acre. So we go over to our chart and we look at our conversion factors, and we see that an acre is 43,560 square feet. So 1 acre is 43,560 square feet. And of course, they've written it SQFT, same as FT to the second power, square feet. So we're going to take our original, copy it down, put our units. We're going to multiply by that something with square feet in the bottom and acres in the top. And then we fill in 1 acre is 43,560. Now this time, square feet cancel out, but look, the 43,560 is in the denominator. So it's 14,470 over 43,560 acres. Now they ask for a decimal, so we just take our calculator and we divide. 14,470 divided by 43,560, and we end up with 0.332185. I pay attention, 4 decimal places. So I need to look at the 8, which means I'm going to round up the 1 to a 2, so it's 0.3322 acres. Number 8, the hole for a footing needs to be 6 feet deep. It is currently 1 foot 8 inches deep. How much deeper does it need to be? So this is telling us we're going to have to subtract. But first, we need to get everything into inches because that's the way they want our answer. So our 6 feet times, same thing, there are 12 inches in 1 foot. That one you probably know. So that ends up being 72 inches because the feet will cancel out, and then the 6 times 12 is 72. Now the other one is 1 foot and 8 inches. Well, 1 foot is 12 inches plus the 8 inches, that's 20 inches. So if we need 72 inches and we've already done 20 inches, 72 minus 20 is 52 more inches deep. Number 9, a homeowner has calculated that 145 7/9 square yards of carpet must be ordered. However, carpet is sold by the square foot, so make the necessary conversion. So we need to have a square foot to, or square yards to square foot. So we start out with 145 7/9 square yards. We want to multiply by something that'll get rid of the square yard, so that goes in the bottom, and square feet goes on the top. So we look at our conversion factors, and let's see, a square yard is 9 square feet. So we go over here and we say 1 square yard is 9 square feet. So we have to multiply 145 7/9 times 9. Because look, the square yards are going to cancel out. And so we end up with 145 7/9 times 9. Now, you can't multiply a mixed number times anything. It needs to be in the fraction format. So we need to do 145 times 9 plus 7 over 9. That's how you change a mixed number over to a improper fraction. So when I do that, 145 times 9 plus 7 is 1312 over 9. Now we're going to take our 1312 over 9 times 9, because remember this 9 was on the top here. It's 9 over 1. And the shortcut is the 9s will now cancel out. And so we end up with the final answer of 1312 square feet. Now you can also do this on your calculator. If you have the TI 30X2S, you just do 145, do your fraction key, that's your ABC key, 7, and then the fraction key, again, 9. So that's 145 fraction key, 7 fraction key 9, and then times 9, and that'll give you the 1312. So you can do it the long way, the by hand way, or you can use your calculator to find that answer. And number 10, a 2,400 square foot house is built on a flat and bare 1/2 acre parcel of land. If an additional 900 square feet are needed for the driveway, how many square feet remain for the landscaping? Okay, so let's draw a picture to kind of figure out what it is that we're asked for here. You have a lot that is 1/2 acre. Okay, it might not be an exact shape. It might be something like this. So it could be any shape, but it is a 1/2 acre. Now, notice that they are in square feet here. So we have to do acres to square feet because we want to be square feet. So 1 acre, we learned, was 43,560 square feet. So if you have a 1/2 of an acre times, and you want your answer to be 43,000, you want your answer to be in square feet, so that's going to go on top, and acres going to go on bottom. Your acres are going to cancel out here, and then that's going to end up being 43,560 divided by 2 square feet. So first we do that. So we say 43,560 divided by 2 is 21,780 square feet. So this whole thing in here is the 2180 square feet. So everything in here. Now, on that, they tell you that there's a 24,000 square foot home. So we'll draw a home right here. And it's 2,400 square feet. And 900 square feet for a driveway. So let's put this right here. It's 900 square feet. Okay. And so we've used up 2,400 and 900. So that's 3,300 square feet. Now, basically what they're asking is, how much grass are we going to have to plant if we want to landscape all of this? Grass, bushes, whatever. So we take our 21,780 and we subtract the 3,300. And so 21,780 minus 3,300 gives me 18,480 square feet. 18,480.